This is Kobalt's 24 volt max brushless mid torque impact wrench kit, and it includes 4 amp hour battery, 150 watt rapid charger. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here's the back of it. Very nice. 30% smaller, lighter. Oh yeah, this thing's nice. Go ahead, open this thing up. Kobalt. Nice. And bag. It's a nice bag. 150 watt rapid charger. That's nice. That's nice. Here's the mid torque wrench. 4 amp hour. Oh. That was a lot smaller than I was expecting. That is nice. Oh, that trigger. This is nice. That is nice. Wow, that's a nice battery too. Come halfway charged. Halfway charged. That's a nice impact wrench. That's it. That's all she wrote. Thank you for watching.